Is this camera working? I see myself. Anyhow, welcome to another quick little video. We're going to go for a ride in the old RPS Condor. If you don't know, this is a little Honda Grom clone. But just out for a quick ride. It is a chilly day again. We've had some cold temperatures. I'm not going to be out for too long. Also, during the ride, it looks like my battery was not fully charged, so it stopped recording just like 20 minutes into the ride. So that's kind of a bummer. Anyhow, here we're at the four-way stop sign, and nothing too exciting around here. Everybody is off today, I think, because it's MLK. So happy MLK Day for those celebrating. Anyhow, if not, you get a day off from work, so that's always a good thing. Another four-way stop sign. There's just too many four-way stop signs around here, so nothing super exciting. I gotta remember to look up a little bit too, because I'm always looking down. Hey, hello there, Mr. Mercedes. I think it was my turn, but hey, go ahead. I'll wait because I'm in the tiny little bike and I don't want to get run over, that's for sure. So here I just turn into a really expensive private school around my area. So really nice, lovely trees, lakes, beautiful courts, and a big old speed bump coming up right here. So anyhow, just checking out, see what's going on. Obviously, there's no school going on today, but I do think there's people using the tracks, maybe getting a little exercise. Always a good thing. Again, nothing exciting here, just cruising around. I really didn't want to go into the city. I mean, this is the city, but it's kind of far from the city, if you know what I'm saying. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and turn around. Nothing going on here, and there's a person exercising right there. So let's see what else is going on before my camera decides to die. Oh, there's that big speed bump here again. So anyhow, just testing the new setup. This is on the GoPro 12. I don't see a huge improvement over my GoPro 8. But I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep this thing. Hello there, car. Some beautiful houses here right across. Again, I got to remember to look up so you guys can see. But first, I got to make sure there's no cars coming to run me over. I don't want to get run over. And then more, less exciting stuff over here. Again, these are the little back roads. So not a lot going on here. Just wanted to really test out the camera, the new GoPro 12, see if, well, new to me anyways. I know it's been out for about 4 or 5 months. But so anyhow, that's going to be about it for this ride. I'm going to pull into a church here / daycare just to check the settings because I kept hearing beeping in my helmet and that was telling me the battery's dead. And of course, I forgot to bring a second battery. I think the cold weather also probably drained the battery a little bit faster than usual because normally I get 30 to 40 minutes out of a battery, but this was barely 10-20 minutes into the ride. I don't remember, but it wasn't very long. So anyhow, I'm going to turn off in here. Oh, by the way, if you made it this far into the video, there is a little exciting action here. A squirrel, as usual, decided to cross in front of me and did have to grab a handful of the brakes there. Nothing too exciting, but Mr. Squirrel, why do you guys do that to us? Just stay on the sides, wait till we cross. Then you guys can cross safely instead of jumping in front of the bike. But anyhow, as I'm coming up the hill here around the little church, there's a little Mr. Squirrel that just runs out. And yeah, it was a close call. But thankfully everything worked out. He made it, I made it, and that's always the most important part of this. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of your week. Here's Mr. Squirrel coming up. Yeah, somewhere on here.
Don't do it, Mr. Squirrel.
There he goes.